My name's Rob. I run Tiny Home Equipment. It's a online e-commerce store. And I ran that since October 2022. Dropship Breakthru as a program, it's been quite amazing. It's literally like a step-by-step. And like if you can run a checklist, you can literally do it. It is wonderful from that aspect. It then switches, and then there's the theory, and from there, like it's a map, and they can show you everywhere to go. My favorite part of the course program, whatever you want to call it, is the people. Like Ben and John, they're great. They care. There's videos and ways that you can connect with them. There's weekly phone calls that if you have this random question, you can get out there. That's how I talk to a team member. That's how I talk to people within Dropship Breakthru. And the piece there for me is there's someone that already did what I'm doing and they're happy to share. I can't tell you how many one-on-one phone calls I've been on with someone I've never met. This program, it's set up for someone that's wanting to run a business. And I think this is a great entry point as a business because it's something you can do from home. You can build your business from midnight to 2 o'clock in the morning if that's the only time you have. Anyone can find the time to build if you're passionate about it. There's work. There's absolute work. They will show you how to work. So it's meant for someone that's ready, willing, and able to do the work. I can't speak highly enough about the course, to be honest with you.